So here we are on this Pontiac G8 and changing the cabin air filter. And so it's super easy. You got these clips that hold this cover on the cowl. It just go right over here, and it's these little push clips. These were really easy to get out. A pocket screwdriver could have got them out. They come out so easy. And so now to install the new filter, we'll just slide it down right up in there and make sure that if it's directional filter that the arrow is pointing towards the car, like into the cabin from here. So mine looks like I've already removed the filter. Nuh-uh. There was no filter in there at all, period. No wonder every time I drive this car and we sit still for a minute, we can smell fumes. It's got headers and there's no cats, and you know, all that fumes and stuff is supposed to be exiting out from around the car and not getting sucked in through the air conditioning. So it's been going through the air conditioning like it's nobody's business. I got a cabin air filter from Rock Auto. This is a charcoal filter. It's supposed to be some of the best of the best that you can get to eliminate fumes. And so yeah, that's what we're going to do. So here's the filter. I had to set the camera down so that I can take it out of the packaging. There's airflow, so it's going to go in like this, and it does not look like much. It really does not look like this cost $35, but I guess where this is kind of a oddball car, then you know, it is what it is. So now we're gonna push this down up in there and see how it's in the top of it. It looks almost like a house. That's where this goes. It goes in the arrow towards the cabin, and it's going to go in just like this. So we're going to set this camera down real quick, fish that in. It'll take but a minute. All right, there she is. She's in there. Went right in. It's slotted right there, and you got a little slot on the bottom that helps hold it in. And then once you turn the air on, the vacuum will help hold that in there as the fan motor is running. So now we're going to put our cowl back on. Put my little flashlight back up. There we go. So here's the cowl. Mine is, don't worry about those. It's not in there. It's fine. It's fine. Because race car, right? Yeah, it's just fine. So we're gonna kind of get that up under the wiper. I think this plastic is malleable. There we go. And now it's sitting back right there. This weather stripping goes back right there. Really wasn't dirty in there like I was thinking it would be, especially being there's no stinking filter. You know, I've had this car like 6 years and not once have I ever checked it. I've been wanting to, but never have. And well, I suppose I should have by now, but you know how it is. Things get in the way of doing other things that get pushed on the back burner. Figured doing all this work to the car, might as well get a $35 charcoal filter so that the wife can bear to ride with me in the car. She don't like riding in it with the fumes, and this charcoal filter should near about eliminate any fumes from the exhaust. And then the last one is this oddball one that goes all the way up in here. And bam, done. Now we have a new filter. All right, that's it, folks. It's all about a 10-minute job. Thank you. Have a blessed day. This video is informative or helped you in any way. That's awesome. That's what I'm hoping for. To just be a help to people trying to do your own project, do your own thing. You know, I work, don't have a lot of extra income, but do have expensive likes, and so definitely want to get this car fixed the way I want it for the best prices I can. You know, trying to save some money, and I just want to be able to help others be able to save some money. So, yeah, appreciate you. Thank you for watching.